Well, it's that time of the year again. It is time for Hit of the Year. I've done this for Ontario. This is my first year doing this for Northeast USA. You guys have been crazy at the swap meet. I enjoy going to the swap meet. Just the camaraderie between all the drivers and promoters and even derby parts suppliers is crazy in the US. You guys do things huge down there. The hits are huge, the tracks are huge, the rules are huge. So, what's the best way to do that? Is put on Hit of the Year for you guys, and here's how it goes. You guys have sent in your hits and your entries, and it is free of charge. That's it. I put them all in order from when I get them to when they're done. So there is hit 1, 2, 3, all the way up to, I think we go up to 55 for the USA Hit of the Year. Watch all the hits. Find the one that you think is the biggest hit of the year for 2019 and Northeast USA. You will find the link in the comment in the description below. Click on it. If my YouTube skills are any good, I'll try to put it in the video, and you guys can click it at any time throughout the video, but I'd really like for you to watch all the way to the end to find the hit that you think is best. You vote who you think has the biggest hit. That's it. This is a contest put on for the drivers. For the USA Hit of the Year, there has been 2 prizes donated, and I really enjoy the people that have stepped up. We have Archambault Derby Supply. They are donating a shifter. This shifter here is acceptable for Camry and Lumina. It's predetermined with measured out strokes on the shifter, along with the Camry header. Second place is custom numbers done for the side of your vehicle. Unfortunately, I have lost his name, but I will get it for you guys. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but I will throw a photo of what they look like right here. This contest is for the drivers. You guys put in your own entries. You guys vote who you think is the best hit. You just click on the link. You find the hit that you think is the best, whether it be hit number 5, hit number 25, hit number 35, hit number 45, hit number 55. Whichever one you think is the biggest and best hit, you vote for it. And the winner gets the prizes. They get a trophy with their name on it, first place, Northeast, USA, Hit of the Year, 2019. And it'll be mailed directly to your door along with the prizes. Everybody make sure you watch the video and you determine who is the hardest hitter of 2019 for around you guys. Let's see if we can make this bigger for 2020. Bigger prizes, bigger hits.
Leaving alone into the cycle ends. Right there. C95 was looking for a hit. And there's a hit. Right up onto the tire. And there's a hit.